Welcome back to Horizon Site Pro. Today we're going to talk about holidays. So if we go to the top, go to the Options tab and select Holidays. Now, holidays work with your scheduling component in your projects. So what you do is one of your first tasks is to build out all your holidays. Whatever part of the country you're in, any stat holidays, put them all in here. Christmas Day, Thanksgiving, all that stuff. And at the beginning of each year, you'll need to adjust the dates on the ones that change. There's certain holidays, obviously, that don't change their specific date. Other holidays, it's always the third Monday of the month or something like that, and you'll need to update the date at the beginning of the year. Once you have all your holidays done, they are automatically applied to your schedule. And so what happens is, in your schedule, if you're booked on a 3-day job, say your electrical rough-in is 3 days, and you have it starting on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but Monday is a holiday because of your holidays that you've inputted here, it will automatically adjust to starting Tuesday and then go Wednesday, Thursday. So this helps to keep working days on actual working days. If you don't input your holidays, something's going to get booked in your schedule on one of these days, but nobody's actually going to show up, and then your schedule is going to be out. So this helps keep all your schedules accurate. So I strongly suggest one of the first things you do when you get into the software is put in all the holiday days for whatever part of the country you're in, have them set, and at the beginning of each year, update the few that need their dates updated, and it'll keep all your scheduling very accurate. Thanks again, Horizon Site Pro.